Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to see how to automate file upload using Selenium Java. Okay, so first we will see the practice page we are going to automate today. So this is the page I have taken. So here we are having a option to choose the file. Currently, I am using Mac OS. So in Windows also it is same. So you can try. Okay. So when you click on this one, you'll be getting an option like this. In Windows also you'll be getting, it will be taking you to the documents or some other location which you defaultly set. Okay, so you can choose from there and you can upload it. Okay, so here I'm using Sonama OS. So here we can see how we can create it. Okay, so I will create here. You can create a text file in Windows. Okay, and write some sample text. So here I'm using the text editor here. So when I type text edit, you will be getting an option in Mac. So I'm using that. So here I will write site test for upload. Okay. So this is the file name. So I will save with the same file name. Some sample test you can give and you can save it. Okay. Here there is no text file available, so txt is not there. In Windows you can save as txt or some other document also. Okay, so here I am saving as docs. Okay, so maybe you can also create docs or you can even try with some other file format that is available in Notepad in Windows. Okay, so if you are using Mac, you can try all the option that is available here. Currently we can try with docx. Okay, I'm saving this one. So it is saved. Okay, so when you choose, it is coming like this, and if you click on upload, you will be getting file uploaded and it will be displaying the file name. Okay, so we can try this option. There are different way of doing this. Okay, so we will use only the Selenium for uploading this. Okay, previously before Selenium 4 we used to do only with robot class or other things that is available in some other third party tool. So currently we will try purely with Selenium and Java. Okay, we are not going to use robot class. We are going to use the option given from Selenium. Okay, so what we can do is we can go to Eclipse and I already created a Java class and I added a code for launching the Chrome browser within the main class. Okay, so now I will give the URL for launching it in the Chrome browser. I will provide the URL in the description, you can practice. So inside the get method, we can add the URL. So this will open in the Chrome browser. Now I am reloading, then only we can find the XPath for this. Okay. Here, whenever you upload something like this, okay, so we need to be choosing this particular button. Wherever it is, you will be having an option to click on this and choose something from the system. Okay, even it is a Mac or Windows. Okay, you will be getting an option to choose from the file explorer if it is Windows and from the finder if it is in Mac. Okay, so you can choose it and we can click on upload. So what we are going to do is we can click on this one. Instead of clicking this, we have an option to send the keys into this particular button. If you do that, instead of going and choosing this, it will automatically pick from there and upload it. Okay, we will see how to do that. So first we need to get the locator for this. Okay, so this is the locator, so we can write a XPath for the same. I will give some wait time, driver dot thread dot sleep, okay, for 5 seconds. Now after this I will write driver dot find element by XPath. If you have ID, you can write that also. I think we have ID, right? So I will provide directly the ID, that is file upload. Now I will give some reference, file upload button. If you mouse over, you can add the web element. Okay, it is added. Now we can copy the same and send the text. Okay, send keys, not send the text. So send keys we can use here. Okay, we need to find the location of that. Okay, so I think it is in docs, right? So what I will do, I will go here and get info. You get the path in Windows from the top. So here I will copy this. Okay, so in Mac you need to pass in this way. If it is Windows, you just copy the whole path along with the file name. So that will allow you to navigate to that particular place. Okay, there is no difference. Okay, so after this we can give some wait time, then only you can observe whether it is passed to that particular place or not. Okay, after that I am going to click on upload. I am finding the XPath for this. So not XPath, I can use ID. Here also they provided ID, so I copy the code in the top and here I will give the name as file upload submit. Okay, so here I will copy the ID. So now I need to click on that. Okay, so file upload button dot click. So on clicking this, you are going to wait for some time, then only you can see that. So after this I will quit the browser. So that's all. So first we found the locator for this file choosing button. Okay, after that we are going to click on upload. Most of the place it will be like this only. So in some case, like in robot class or some other thing, we need to automate in a different way. So here we are not doing that. Okay, it is very simple. If you find the locator for that particular file choosing button, it will be easy for you. Okay, so sometimes it will be in a different form like link or some other thing, so but it will be clickable. Okay, when you find the locator for that link or the button, you can easily upload from there. Okay, so I will run this, we will see how it goes. Here you see, so test for upload, it is uploaded. Okay, so we will try with another new file also, just for example. What we can do, instead of this file I will create a new file. Hello site. Okay, just for understanding, I'm creating another new file in different format. Okay, I'm saving it. So it is in the same path, but I'm going to, this is the RTF format. Okay, so what I will do, instead of passing this file name, I will change to site test, and RTF I need to pass the extension. So now I am running this. Let us see how it is coming up. Here you see site test, that particular text is displayed, then it means that that is chosen. Now it is uploaded. Okay, yeah, so that's all I have for this video. So we will meet in another new video with new content. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, you can subscribe. Okay, thank you.